In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Ultimate Poster to auto-join groups. And they could be closed groups, they could be open groups. And you can see that if you click on Join Groups, there is a search and add new. And also you can look at your schedules, because you can schedule it in the future to join groups, as well as you can look at your logs. So let's look at click on the search and add new. And as you can see here, on the top here, you can choose your Facebook account. So I will choose mine. And then you want to delay it, how often you want to delay it. So obviously if you're doing a lot of it, you want to expand this. You also can pick the date when you want it to start. So for example, say I start today, and pause it after, for example, if you join 12 groups, it'll pause, and then it'll pause it for how many minutes right here, and then it will resume after so many hours, okay? So it's pretty self-explanatory. So you want to, if you're doing a lot of joining, you want to pause and resume so it doesn't look like you're, you're spamming them. And here you can search for groups. You can search for a minimum amount of membership, and you can do a maximum as well. And if you want to have open or just closed or both, okay? As well, you can have a different view here. So if I click on this, it's going to give me a different menu down here, and you can play with that to see what that is. As well as you can export and import groups as well and auto join. So we're going to search, for example, dog training. Okay, and I'm going to put no minimum, so it's going to be dog training. So it's going to search for groups, and it's got all these types of groups, lots of members. So I like dog training, so I'm going to do a couple of them here. And dog training advice and dog training help. One's open and one's closed. So I'm just going to do two just to show you how it works. Okay, and all you need to do is click on Save. And schedule has been done successfully, so it's going to start right away because I don't have it scheduled in the future. It's to go out right now. This is the current time. It's delayed by 1 minute. Okay. So now if I look at the scheduling, at the schedules, you can see that I got the third one going on right here. Today is the 27th, and I'm going to turn those off because I should pause those too. You can pause, and this is the one that's, oh wait, I've done these in the previously. Okay, so this is the one that I just did. I've done this. I did these previously, so it did 6 out of 6, 2 out of 2, and you can see what that means. Okay, and you can pause it and restart it right here. So this is in progress. This is the one that I just did right here, and you can see the progress. And it's going to go out, and it's going to auto invite them as well. You can look at these schedule logs. That's the ones that I've already done. Okay, and so if I come here, if I come back in a few minutes, it's going to be sent out. Okay. Okay, you see that I refresh, and there's also there's 1 out of the 2 that are done already. And you can view the log right here. If I go right there, you can see that this is a group, and so if I come here, and you'll see that it's pending. Okay, so the administrator will have to accept it, but it is, as you can see, it is auto requested, so it's working perfectly. And you can check the schedules, you can check the logs right here. See that? And so if I go to the schedules here, and you'll see that the second one will go out. It's a cron job, and I have it delayed, and it'll work perfectly. Let me pause it again. Okay, so the second one is complete, and so let's look at the logs here. And oh, that's the wrong one. It's the middle one here. There we go. And so there's the first one went out at 10:15. The second one went out at 10:20. So let's look at the second one. So that one also is pending. So the admin will have to, it says your request to join this group. And so it is pending. and the first one is pending as well. So it's working great. There's one other thing that you want to do. So once the admin accepts your request, you'll be part of this group. Now here's the key here, that if you go to this page, if you go to your home page here, if you do not see that group in this listing, there's two things you need to do. First of all, make sure that all is selected so that it can be shown. But also, once they have accepted it, you need to go and update your account. So go to Facebook accounts and click on update account right here. That's all you need to do. Thank you.